Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a limited PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Resolution Center. This is your central hub for all account-related issues, including limitations. You'll find a clear explanation of why your account is limited and a list of steps you need to take. It's crucial to address these requirements promptly to restore full access to your account features. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth resolution process. PayPal limits accounts for various reasons, primarily for security and to comply with regulations. Common causes include unusual spending patterns, receiving a high volume of payments quickly, or a change in your business model. Sometimes, it's simply a routine security check to verify your identity. These measures protect both you and other users from potential fraud. Understanding the specific reason for your limitation, as detailed in your Resolution Center, is the first step towards resolving it effectively. To lift the limitation, PayPal will typically request specific documents. These often include proof of identity, such as a government-issued photo identification, and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. For business accounts, you might need to provide business registration documents or invoices. Upload these securely through the Resolution Center. The review process usually takes a few business days, so ensure all submissions are clear and complete for a quicker resolution. After submitting your documents, regularly check your email and the PayPal Resolution Center for updates. PayPal will notify you once your account is reviewed and the limitation is lifted. If you have any questions or encounter issues, do not hesitate to contact PayPal customer service directly. To prevent future limitations, always keep your account information up to date, maintain consistent transaction patterns, and strictly adhere to PayPal's user agreement. Proactive management helps ensure uninterrupted access to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.